So I've got two IWC watches with me right now. This is not a big pilot. This is a IWC pilot's watch. I believe it's IW3255-19. It is part of the father-son collection. And yes, this is the son watch. It is the only, to my knowledge, smaller size IWC pilot watch that has the crown commonly seen on the big pilot. The dial is rhodium. Has a really cool strap, but damn, it's small. My wife keeps trying to take it because it barely fits me. If I go to my right wrist, it's over. Can't wear it. I really need to replace the strap, but it's pretty glorious. So, really cool watch. I like it a lot. It's hard to find. Don't see these much. Others are very plentiful, pre-owned and new, etc. I'm not sure they do the father and son anymore. I'd have to look at the website or catalog. Second watch I have is an IWC Portuguese from the vintage collection. It's a bigger watch. This one's 44 mil. The other watch I just showed is 39, I believe, just shy of 39. So, very different look. Getting some reflection with this one. The coating must be more significant. Less significant. Anti-reflective coating, maybe. I'm guessing. I don't really know. The other watch, I wasn't getting much of any reflection. But it's a black dial. Really cool watch. Very sort of vintage, obviously vintage inspired. Probably very similar to the original Portuguese. And I'm probably moving my camera a lot. But anyway, that's a pretty good look at it. This one fits perfectly. Have a good day. Out.